Francesco, welcome back to my channel. I have off from work, so I'm gonna go get some Christmas presents for my family and do some errands that I've been meaning to do for the past week or so. The outfit of the day, I'm wearing my Doc Martens, these jeans that I wear literally all the time from PacSun, this like corduroy jacket from Zara, this shirt is from Zara. I curled my hair today, I blow dried it, and then I curled it with the wand. I probably should eat some breakfast. It's now like 12.
You wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go pick Sophie up and we're gonna go run some errands. So I need to return four things, because they all broke. Alright, vlog update. The gorilla glue is out. I'll be back. Alright guys, we're not sure if our mirror would fit. Seeing if Sophie will fit in adding another foot onto her height.
100% will fit.
Okay, no one is well.
No one is
Update though, Sophie and I got the prints from Home Goods, we returned them, and now we're trying to get a mirror from IKEA, but we don't know if it's gonna fit. Ugh.
Looks like it's gonna fit based off my body measurements.
If we added another foot to Sophie, it would fit, but it would be over both our heads.
Yeah, it's gonna go over our heads, but as long as it can fit in the car.
We're gonna have the next clip of like not fitting him. Alright guys, we're here in the IKEA parking lot. Here we go.
Oh, we're here, y'all.
We are here on a Sunday at 6 p.m., 7
We're just
p.m.
at Target though. The line was out the door.
Guys, if they don't have this mirror, even though they have 11 in stock, we're gonna have an issue. Look at the Christmas decoration. If you could see our faces, we're really excited.
Okay,
IKEA is beautiful.
Aisle 1. Aisle 1. Bin 86.
And then we're gonna be lugging it through the whole IKEA.
Self-checkout.
I'm so lost. Alright,
I'm sitting at 90 degrees. Let's ride this roller coaster, shall we?
Oh my god.
I'm legit
sitting. Woo! Let's go.
You're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away.
Well, that is it for today's video. Today was a very, very, very long day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.